Jai Gurudev, Jai Maharshi. In this video, we are going to discuss condition of intersection of two circles. Here, circle C and circle D are given. Circle C is having center A and radius AB, that is equal to R1. And here in circle D, the center is C and CD is a radius whose value is R2. And here we are getting true values. R1 is equal to 2 at present. 1, 2. This 2 is here. And this is 2 point something. Not equal to 3 even. Let us take 2.8 at this stage. R is 3. Now, R1 is equal to 2 and R2 is equal to 3 unit. The sum of R1 and R2, sum is equal to 5. AC is equal to A, distance A to C, that is this segment, length of this segment is AC is this thing. The condition of intersection at one point. AC is equal to R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2 का सम कितना है 5 है तो R1 plus R2 is equal to 5. So AC is equal to 5. Therefore these two circles are intersecting at this point. This point they are intersecting only at one point. They are touching just, you can say. And if condition for intersection at 2 point, you see here these two circles C and D are intersecting at this point and as well as this point. So in this case AC, value of AC is 3.5 and sum of R1 and R2 is 5. So this AC is less than the sum of the two radius R1 and R2. Then in this condition, the circle will intersect each other at 2 points. We may even increase or decrease. Even at this condition also we can say sum is now 5.6 R1 and R2. The sum is 5.6 and AC is 3. Now I want to shift it here. AC is now 4 unit. 1, 2, 3 and 4 unit. You can see the graph behind these two circles. You can see easily. So in this case also AC is less than sum of R1 and R2, that is 5.6. So 4 is less than 5.6. So they are intersecting. Now if we are taking in this case, in this case R1 is 2.8 and R2 is 2. Radius of circle 1 R1, that is 2.8, R2 is 2.8. The sum of these two is 4.8. You can check it. And AC is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unit. So 5 unit is. So 5 is greater than sum of two radii. So this is less than the distance between their center. So in this case, the circle is not touching at any point. All right? No intersection. AC is greater than R1 plus R2. One more case, I had not taken it in earlier video on the same topic. It is just mentioned by one of my student, Mayank Chaturvedi, and he said that if AC is equal to 0 and R1 is not equal to R2, then also these two circles will not intersect each other. So that condition I am taking this time, and this video will uploaded with the correction. So now let us take, we are taking this AC is, in this condition AC is equal to 0 and sum of R1 and R2 is 8.2. This will not have any this thing. The condition that R1 and R2 are not equal, this fact. So then this condition, the two circles are there and they are not intersecting inside. But the circle, which is both the circle are having same center, they are having same center. R1 AC is equal to 0 means A and C are coincide, means the distance between center, their centers A and C is 0, that is they are coinciding. R1 is not equal to R2, then they are not intersecting at any point. But one more condition, fourth condition will be there. If R1 is equal to R2, what will happen? Look here, it is R1 is 2.8, R2 is 3.1. I am increasing this, so they are going away. This time I am decreasing R2, there are two circles are coming. And if R1 is equal to R2, we will make R1 is equal to R2. In this case, there are infinite number of intersections. So fourth condition is also there, when the two circles will have infinite number of point of intersection, means they are overlapping. It means, so four condition we can include it. Condition 4. So this condition we have infinite. Infinite spelling is to be corrected. Infinite. Now in this case, infinite number of points of intersection, R1 is equal to R2, this condition must be fulfilled and AC is equal to 0. Now we are in this condition, we are increasing the value of R2, and if I will increase the value of R1 till R1 is equal to R2, then you can see again both the circles C and D are intersecting each other. Is it clear? So there are these 4 conditions. This is first condition when 2 circles are intersecting each other, when R1 is plus R2 is less than R1 R2, AC is less than R1 and R2, this condition. If they are touching, then R1 and R2 are R1 plus R2 is equal to AC, this condition, and AC is greater than R1 and R2, it is okay, it is hiding. I am taking this side here. So in this case R1 and R2 sum 8.5 and AC is 8.8. It is bigger than this sum, then they are not intersecting. And fourth condition, 2 circles are intersecting at infinite number of points when R1 is equal to R2 and AC is equal to 0. R1 plus R2, R1 and R2 are both are equal and AC is equal to 0. And they are not intersecting if R1 is AC is equal to 0 and R1 is not equal to R2. Either R1 is greater or R2 is greater. It won't intersect. If it is R1 is not R2 and AC is equal to 0, at this condition both the circles are not intersecting each other. So these are all conditions, and this condition AC is equal to 0, R1 is not equal to R2 is suggested by one of the student. Actually I have taken A and C as a distinct point. Yeah, but the condition in this condition here also, in this condition also, if it is not 0, another condition we can get here, AC is less than R1 plus R2. In this case, that's C, center C lies within the circle, then also they are not intersecting. So this will be the 5th condition. So you can find out yourself many such more conditions. This is also this position, again this position, at many positions we can get. Here this AC is not 0, but R1 and R2 are also not equal. At this condition also they are not intersecting. So this is the 5th condition. You can add it in this. Now because there is no place here, so I am not using. So by interactive method, we can verify many facts which we are not able to think, and that can be explained here with the help of this software. And in this video, I hope you have learned something more, and wish you best of luck for learning and enjoying the maths. Jai Gurudev, Jai Maharshi.